Let's see how to close a window using the Alt+F4 button combination on this Lenovo laptop. The model is Lenovo V15 G4, it's barely visible. The window is activated, as it's visible, you can move it. I press Alt+F4 on the keyboard and it's not closing it. It's muting and unmuting the microphone. So let's see how to close that window using the Alt+F4 button combination. We have to restart the computer, restart it, and then we have to enter into BIOS using the F2 key on the keyboard. This which has the volume down symbol on it. So restart and F2. Restart Windows 11 and press the F2 key on the keyboard. That is BIOS. Now using the arrow keys, go to the right to configuration, go down to hotkey mode, that one, and disable it. Press enter on it, select disabled and enter again. So when hotkey mode is enabled, it is using the top symbol, which is in this case was the muting of the microphone. So when I pressed Alt F4, that was not F4 but Alt and muted microphone. So that's why it was not able to close the window. Now press F10 on the keyboard to save the changes and exit. F10. Save configuration, changes and exit now. Just press enter. Enter into Windows once again. Now if I open, let's say, File Explorer with Windows and E, it is there, and press Alt F4 on the keyboard and it is closed. Now in order to mute the microphone, you cannot press just the F4 key. You have to use the function and F4. F and F4, it is muting and unmuting the microphone. The same for volume, you cannot use directly the volume down or volume up key. It's not doing anything. You have to use the function and volume down. Function and volume up. And that is being increased or decreased.